I don't know. Wow, you're so mean. Ah! They got long necks too. Wow! He bit the flower off. You vicious beast. Whoop! Get out of the road, doofus! Get him out of the road.
What are you doing? Here, hold this.
He's so retarded. Now he's got a long neck, remember. Jill, just do him with your foot.
Oh, he bit
He will bite you, like, for
my
real.
foot. Look at him.
Pick him up way in the back.
What his
Well,
tail?
I want him to get out of the road.
He's cool. He can flip himself over.
I know. Hey, he's got a long neck. You little snapper. Way in the back. He's so mean.
Look at his neck. It's so long.
He's vicious. I know. They have a long neck. You are the
God.
meanest turtle in the world.
Oh my god.
Gosh. You're vicious.
How the heck am I supposed to trying to bite the camera?
You're the meanest turtle in the world.
Ow! He's got sharp feet.
I know it. Hey, he's gonna bite me.
Alright, you want to come over there? And he fell on his back. That was a bad thump. I don't know, let me check. Where'd he go? He's flipped over.
Okay, good. Let's go.
Poor guy.